Welcome to Best by Report. The Best Cat Hammock is probably one of the most ingenious inventions for cat owners who dread the nail-cutting routine. This simple yet effective tool transforms a potentially stressful experience into a more manageable one, making it easier to trim your cat's nails safely and efficiently. Join me as we explore how this clever device can revolutionize your cat grooming sessions and ensure your feline friend stays happy and healthy. Number 5. Guzekier Dog Grooming Hammock Kit. This grooming hammock is ideal for teacup dogs and kittens under 5 pounds. It's perfect for breeds like Chihuahuas and Maltese. It makes grooming at home easy and safe. With this hammock, you can do everything you do at the vet's office. It's great for trimming nails, grooming, and providing ear and eye care. It makes it easy to restrain your pet. The kit includes a safety sling, nail clippers, a nail file, S-hooks, and hanging slings. Everything you need to groom your pet safely and effectively is included. It's a complete package. The hammock uses a double-layer fabric design with a soft inner layer and breathable outer mesh. The design reduces friction and keeps your pet calm and relaxed. It's designed for comfort. Before you buy, check the size chart and measure your pet's spacing and weight. Make sure it fits your pet correctly for the best experience. If you have questions, reach out to us. What we like. This grooming hammock is perfect for your tiny companions, like kittens and teacup dogs. It comes with a complete grooming kit, making it easy to handle nail trimming, ear cleaning, and more. The double-layer fabric and breathable design ensure your pet's comfort and relaxation. If you have a small pet that needs a gentle and comprehensive grooming solution, this is the one for you. What people say. It came with some handy tools, including a nail clipper, and setup was super simple. The material feels sturdy and secure, and I felt confident he wouldn't slip or hurt himself. What makes it stand apart from others I previously purchased is the sturdiness of it. I was initially concerned about whether it could safely hold my hefty boy, but it proved to be incredibly reliable. The reinforced design ensures that he stays secure and comfortable while I trim his nails or brush him. Number 4. Kkiimatt Dog Grooming Hammock Harness, XXS. This grooming hammock harness is made of mesh textile material. The sling is sewn with a special process, so you don't have to worry about it tearing or falling apart. It's designed to last. This product makes it easier to give your pet medicine, clean their teeth and ears, or administer eye drops. You won't have to worry about being bitten. It's also a great tool for veterinarians. The product comes with unique elastic bands to restrain your pet. It's even easier with an assistant. This combination allows you to groom your pet safely, quickly, and comfortably. The dog nail clipping hammock features a breathable and flexible 3D mesh structure. The thicker hemming around the holes reduces friction, keeping your pet calm and relaxed. It's also easy to clean, both by hand and machine. This XXS size is suitable for puppies and extra small dogs under 8 lb, with a front and rear leg distance between 3.9 and 8.9 inches. Please check your pet's measurements before purchasing to ensure a perfect fit. What we like. This hammock is built to last with its sturdy mesh textile material. It simplifies tasks like giving medication and cleaning your pet's ears. The breathable 3D mesh keeps them comfortable. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-use grooming tool, this hammock is a great choice. What people say. The Kkiimatt grooming harness is made from durable and breathable mesh fabric, which is comfortable for your pet while still being sturdy enough to support their weight. The harness is designed with 4 leg holes for your pet's legs, ensuring they stay in place while suspended. The harness comes with metal hooks that attach securely to a grooming arm or other sturdy structure, allowing you to suspend your pet safely and keep them still while grooming. Number 3. Dog Grooming Kit, Hammock, Harness, Nail Clipper, S. This kit is perfect for pet owners. It includes everything you need for grooming at home, such as a hammock, nail clippers, and a file. This is a cost-effective solution for your pet's grooming needs. If your dog dislikes nail trimming, this hammock can help. It allows you to restrain your pet effortlessly, making grooming easier. It helps them feel at ease and allows you to work calmly. The hammock is made from soft, comfortable coral fleece. It's lightweight, durable, and fast-drying. The design minimizes friction, ensuring a relaxed grooming experience. Your dog might even enjoy it. Our nail clippers are recommended by professional groomers. They have a safety guard to prevent overcutting. The included file smooths the nails. Many groomers and vets use this set. The Grooming Sling Hammock comes in 4 sizes. You can find the right fit for your dog, no matter the breed. It's suitable for dogs under 80 pounds. If you have any issues, our 24-hour service is available to assist you. What we like. This kit is a game changer for at-home grooming, helping your pet overcome their fear of nail trimming. Crafted from soft coral fleece, it ensures a comfortable experience. If you like a stress-free grooming session, this hammock will make the process easier. What people say. This dog grooming harness worked perfectly and made it simple to trim his nails. It includes a nail clipper and file. The harness is very sturdy and secure. Number 2. Pet Hammock Harness for Small Dogs, XS, 6.5. This grooming hammock is designed for small pets. To ensure a perfect fit, measure the distance between your pet's legs before purchasing. The XS size is ideal for pets with about 6.5 inches between their legs, and it can support up to 25 pounds. Made from breathable and wear-resistant sandwich fabric, this hammock ensures your pet's comfort. It's easy to clean, suitable for hand washing, machine washing, and dry cleaning. The fabric is soft, vibrant, and won't fade. This pet grooming hammock makes grooming a breeze. It allows your pet to relax while you trim nails, clean teeth, and care for their ears and eyes. You can do it all at home, saving you trips to the groomer or vet. The hammock features a double-enhanced design for improved load-bearing and stability. Upgraded Velcro stickers and wide straps provide extra security, preventing escapes and ensuring a safe grooming experience. We're confident you and your pet will love this grooming hammock. We offer a 100% worry-free replacement guarantee. If you have any questions or issues, please don't hesitate to contact us. What we like. The hammock provides precise size guidance to ensure a perfect fit for your pet. It is made of breathable sandwich fabric. It allows you to groom, trim nails, and clean teeth and ears without a trip to the groomer. If you are looking for a versatile and easy-to-use grooming tool, this is the one for you. What people say. The hammock is very sturdy. It makes nail trimming so much easier. The design is great. Number 1. AWOOF Cat and Dog Grooming Hammock. Introducing the AWOOF Grooming Hammock. If your cat or dog hates nail trimming, this is the perfect solution. It allows you to groom your pet at home without the struggle, saving you time and money. This hammock is designed with a 4-layer fabric, including a breathable 3D air mesh. The thickened edges and breathable design protect your pet, keeping them calm and relaxed during grooming. This grooming hammock is suitable for pets between 10 and 30 pounds. Make sure to measure your pet's leg spacing before purchasing to ensure a proper fit. It's perfect for active guys. The new version features wide Velcro straps, an adjustable neck buckle, and adjustable suspender buckles. It also comes with more grooming accessories than other hammocks, making the process easier. Simply hang the hammock, put your pet's legs through the holes, and secure the straps. If your pet is nervous, try giving them snacks to soothe them. They'll get used to it quickly and may even enjoy it. What we like. This grooming hammock comes with a complete set of accessories, making grooming a breeze. It features a 4-layer fabric design for comfort and safety. The design is simple and convenient to use. If you like a complete and easy-to-use grooming solution, you should consider this. What people say. The neck opening with the snap is very comfortable and easy to adjust. All the zippers worked and are stronger than some flimsy plastic ones. It kept the cat calm and contained whilst I trimmed her claws. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.